Are you looking for the best $2,000 gaming PC? In this video we will look at some of the best $2,000 gaming PC on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. iBuyPower Gaming PC. iBuyPower Gaming PC. iBuyPower is a popular brand that specializes in developing custom-built gaming PCs for the most avid gamers. The brand has been selling high-end PCs and processors with unique and distinct features since 1999. iBuyPower's gaming PC is powered by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 6GB graphics processor for providing a seamless gaming experience. With this processor, you won't experience any lags even if you play games in high graphics settings. Furthermore, it uses the latest Intel i7-10700F 2.9 GHz core. The 16GB DDR4 RAM further enriches your gaming experience. The gaming PC features 4 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports along with an Ethernet port. There is also a 7.1 audio channel port for the best audio experience. For wireless connectivity, the PC is equipped with 802.11ac Wi-Fi. The PC is covered by a tempered glass and features a 16-color RGB lighting system for making your gaming sessions more lively. You also get a gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse. iBuyPower backs this gaming PC with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor from the original date of purchase. The brand also provides free lifetime tech support. At number 2, Skytech Shadow 2 Gaming Computer PC. Skytech is a fairly small and new brand of gaming PCs in comparison to most other options out there, which can be a viable pick if you are looking for something value for money. This Skytech Shadow 2 Gaming PC comes at the third position of this article because you get a highly powerful GPU with it without paying a premium for the same. To be precise, you will find the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066GB with this PC. Even though its AMD Ryzen 7 2700 CPU is not the fastest, it is decent enough for gaming, especially when you consider that you also get 16 GB of DDR4 RAM with it. Unlike most other budget options in the market, this Skytech gaming PC has not compromised in terms of its storage, as you get a 500GB SSD out of the box. Because this is an AMD-based computer, it uses AMD's own B450 motherboard, which even allows you to overclock the CPU if needed. At number 3, Omen Gaming Desktop PC. Omen Gaming Desktop Omen is a well-known brand that provides high-quality and reliable gaming products. Their 30 liters gaming desktop comes with powerful processor which supports any kind of game. It is equipped with 10th generation Intel Core i9-10850K processor. It also has a large front fan and raised feet, maintains the unit cool even if you are playing the game for a long time. Apart from performance, the looks of this desktop PC are amazing as well, with tempered glass side and front panels. This gaming desktop PC comes with dual storage options that include 1TB NVMe.2 solid-state drive and 2TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive. With this desktop, you can enjoy VR performance as it is compatible VR. It's gaming love at first sight with the Omen 30 liters gaming desktop PC. This gaming desktop doesn't just tout performance, but stunning looks as well. With tempered glass front and side panels, a full metal frame, and complete RGB control, it'll brighten up your battle station. At number 4, Asus ROG Strix GL10DH Gaming PC. Asus and its ROG lineup of products are known to offer excellent performance, which is also true for its gaming PC stated here in this listicle. The Asus ROG Strix GL10DH Gaming PC can be perfect for you if you wish to get an all-rounder PC that offers excellent performance in all kinds of PC tasks. This is primarily possible due to its AMD Ryzen 7 3700X Strix CPU, which is an excellent performer. You also get the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T GPU and 16GB DDR4 RAM, making it great for gaming as well. While this GPU is highly powerful, it does not support ray tracing, which can be an issue for many. Continuing with its performance numbers, Asus has also included a high-performance 512GB SSD, which should be plenty for installing all your favorite PC games on it. Even though the CPU of this gaming PC is already highly powerful, you can even overclock it thanks to its AMD B450 motherboard. Asus has also offered a wide range of connectivity options like Wi-Fi. At number 5, Skytech Legacy Mini Gaming PC. We have yet another gaming PC from Skytech here in this list, which can be another viable option for those of you who are on a tight budget. Skytech's Legacy Mini Gaming PC is the cheapest option stated here, which undercuts other options by quite a lot. And even at its given price tag, you get the AMD Ryzen 7 2700 CPU along with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM inside it. But the best part about this gaming PC is that you get the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T 6GB GPU with it, making it perfect for playing all your games. Even at the given price tag, this gaming PC manages to include a 500GB SSD, which offers fairly decent speeds. While the AMD B450 motherboard of this PC does support overclocking, its overclocking capabilities are a bit limited, as you would expect at the given price. That being said, despite the given price tag, you still get Wi-Fi connectivity, USB 3.1, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and audio ports on the back.